In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TikTok Shop on TikTok. By the end, you'll feel confident browsing products, choosing what you like, and completing a purchase right inside the app. First, open the TikTok app and sign into your account. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection so pages and product images load smoothly. On the main screen, look for the shop area, often shown as a shopping bag icon. Tap it to enter the shop. This is your storefront inside TikTok, where you can see a wide range of items curated for you. If the shop tab isn't visible, it may not be available in your region yet. Inside the shop, you'll see various products, categories, and sometimes limited time deals. You can browse by category, use the search bar to find something specific, or explore recommended collections. As you scroll, pause on items that catch your eye and take a moment to review the key details. Look at product photos and videos, read the description carefully, and check sizes, materials, and what's included. It's also helpful to glance at seller ratings and customer reviews for a sense of quality and reliability. If shipping speed matters, note the estimated delivery window and the return policy before you move forward. When you find a product you prefer, tap it to open the product page. From here, select any required options like size, color, or style, and adjust the quantity if you're buying more than one. You'll see the price and, in most cases, an estimate of shipping costs. Double-check that everything looks right before you proceed. To purchase from TikTok Shop, tap the Buy button you see on the screen, such as Buy Now or Add to Cart. Buy Now takes you straight to checkout, while Add to Cart lets you keep browsing and purchase multiple items together. Either way, when you're ready, follow the prompts on your screen. The app will guide you step by step, confirming your shipping address, choosing a delivery option, and selecting a payment method. If you have a promo code, this is typically where you apply it. Take a moment to review the order summary so the item, variation, quantity, price, shipping, and total are all correct. Once you confirm and place your order, the app will show a confirmation page. From there, TikTok will keep you updated inside the app with order status and delivery information. That's it. Open TikTok, enter the shop, select a product you love, purchase it, and follow the prompts on your screen. Enjoy your shopping experience.